how to change PIN or password on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to change the PIN or password on Android, simply launch the settings application of your device. As you launch the settings application on your device, scroll down and here you can see the option of passwords and security. So just tap on passwords and security. And as you do that, it will take you to a new page where if you have your screen lock, you can just tap on screen lock option. So draw your pattern or your passcode over here, and here you can just tap on any of the PIN or password option. Now I'm going to tap on PIN, and you just got to wait for a few seconds over here and then tap on got it and enter your digit over here. Then tap on continue, and then you just have to enter it again to confirm your PIN and then tap on OK. And there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.